An apartment that occupies only part of a building, generally on a single story. There are many names for these overall buildings. See below. The housing tenure of apartments also varies considerably, from large-scale public housing, to owner occupancy within what is legally a condominium, to tenants renting from a private landlord. Both words refer to a self-contained residential unit with its own front door, kitchen, toilet, and bathroom. In some parts of the world, the word apartment refers to a purpose-built unit in a building, whereas the word flat means a converted unit in an older building, usually a big house. In other places the terms are interchangeable. The term apartment is favored in North America. In the UK, the term apartment is more usual in professional real estate and architectural circles where otherwise the term flat is used commonly, but not exclusively, for an apartment on a single level. In some countries, the word unit is a more general term referring to both apartments and rental business suites. The word unit is generally used only in the context of a specific building. E.g., this building has 3 units, or I'm going to rent a unit in this building. But not, I'm going to rent a unit somewhere. Some buildings can be characterized as mixed-use buildings, meaning part of the building is for commercial, business, or office use, usually on the first floor or first couple of floors, and one or more apartments are found in the rest of the building, usually on the upper floors. Tenement law refers to the feudal basis of permanent property such as land or rents. It may be found combined as in messuage or tenement to encompass all the land, buildings and other assets of a property. In the United States, some apartment dwellers own their units, either as a housing cooperative, in which the residents own shares of a corporation that owns the building or development, or in a condominium, whose residents own their apartments and share ownership of the public spaces. Most apartments are in buildings designed for the purpose, but large older houses are sometimes divided into apartments. The word apartment denotes a residential unit or section in a building. In some locations, particularly the United States, the word connotes a rental unit owned by the building owner, and is not typically used for a condominium. In England and Wales, some flat owners own shares in the company that owns the freehold of the building as well as holding the flat under a lease. This arrangement is commonly known as a share of freehold flat. The freehold company has the right to collect annual ground rents from each of the flat owners in the building. The freeholder can also develop or sell the building, subject to the usual planning and restrictions that might apply. This situation does not happen in Scotland, where long leasehold of residential property was formerly unusual, and is now impossible. Bachelor apartment, 1 bedroom, etc. See below. Apartment buildings are multi-story buildings where 3 or more residences are contained within one structure. Such a building may be called an apartment building, apartment complex, flat complex, block of flats, tower block, high-rise or, occasionally, mansion block, especially if it consists of many apartments for rent. A high-rise apartment building is commonly referred to as a residential tower, apartment tower, or block of flats in Australia. A high-rise building is defined by its height differently in various jurisdictions. It may be only residential, in which case it might also be called a tower block, or it might include other functions such as hotels, offices, or shops. There is no clear difference between a tower block and a skyscraper, although a building with 50 or more stories is generally considered a skyscraper. High-rise buildings became possible with the invention of the elevator and cheaper, more abundant building materials. Their structural system usually is made of reinforced concrete and steel. A low-rise building and mid-rise buildings have fewer stories, but the limits are not always clear. Empories defines a low-rise as an enclosed structure below 35 meters which is divided into regular floor levels. The City of Toronto defines a mid-rise as a building between 4 and 12 stories. In American English, the distinction between rental apartments and condominiums is that while rental buildings are owned by a single entity and rented out to many, condominiums are owned individually, while their owners still pay a monthly or yearly fee for building upkeep. Condominiums are often leased by their owner as rental apartments. A third alternative, the cooperative apartment building, acts as a corporation with all of the tenants as shareholders of the building. Tenants in cooperative buildings do not own their apartment, but instead own a proportional number of shares of the entire cooperative. As in condominiums, cooperators pay a monthly